Welcome, I Love Beauty YouTube edition. Yes, so today we're going to do a quick video on how to make vegan low carb spaghetti. Vegan low carb spaghetti. So I already have my pan.
Guys, before we get started, make sure you thumbs up this video. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe.
Okay, so today we have our meatless soy-free ground. Okay, meatless soy-free ground.
Wow, that looks like actual meat, guys.
Made with non-GMO ingredients. Alright, so this is gonna be like our mock meat. Now, my family and I were doing like an 80-20 vegan life. So I might have one meal that's vegan, one meal that's not
80-20.
vegan. So 80-20. Because of my age and all the things that I have going on with me, cannot do 100%. So if I'm like that, more than likely it's more people like that. So you don't always have to be 100% vegan because it's very hard on your body. Okay. So that looks just like ground meat, doesn't it?
Check this out, guys.
It really, really does. Okay, so I'm going to get me some fresh tomatoes.
I mean, that really looks like ground meat, Jenna.
Yes. So I'm going to do a tomato. Let me go wash this off now.
Tomato.
I literally just said, let me fire off this camera right quick. So I didn't have anything pre-made or pre-cut. I want y'all to have the whole experience. I hope this video is reaching you guys in great health. Okay, so this is what I'm doing. I make my own little sauce just with fresh tomatoes. You can put in regular tomato paste as well, but I won't be doing that during this video. I want to give you guys like a fresh feeling.
Look at the colors on this, Jenna.
And I literally use the whole tomato. Yes. Beautiful, right? Okay, guys, so write the recipe down. I have some vegan ground meat. I have some tomatoes. I'm going to have some peppers. Yellow, green, and red. Remember a long time ago I used to say eat in color? Eat in color, guys. Eat in color, your health will be much better.
Wow.
So we're putting in some peppers. And I freeze my peppers, guys, because peppers are expensive. I'm not going to sit here and tell you. So if you can, like, try to catch your peppers on sale. Okay, so I caught a sale where they were actually 10 for 10. So you know, I bought a whole bunch of those. Then I came home, cut them up, and freeze them. That's what I do. I freeze them, put them in the bag, and freeze them so they don't go bad. You feel me? Feel me?
I feel you.
So now we got an onion.
It saves money.
Yeah, it saves money. We're gonna put a little bit of
Yeah, it saves money because you can actually buy those peppers when they're on sale and still have them. Like, stock up on your ingredients when you freeze them.
yes.
And it prevents them from going bad quickly. So
Exactly.
it definitely saves money. I'm sure you guys are interested in saving money. I know I am.
Yeah, because vegan life can be a little pricey. So you have to learn how to shop, still eat healthy, and get your vegetables on sale, and get vegetables that you can freeze, which is most vegetables. Okay, so you know I got my little onion, my little baby onion. Go ahead and just start putting that up in there.
Check out those onions, guys. Hashtag onion life.
And because I'm doing a vegan life, I'm going to start using a little bit of jalapeno peppers.
Jalapeno.
Yes, jalapeno.
You know, when I think of jalapenos, I think of like, what do you guys think of?
Okay, so we're just going to now the key to jalapenos, y'all, is the heat is in the seeds. All of my real cooks, you know that, right? The heat is in the seeds. So what you want to do, if you don't want it to be real hot, I don't want it to be real hot. You want to get those seeds out of there. Now, guys, make sure that you use gloves. I don't use gloves, but if you're a newbie, use gloves because this juice can get up under your nails, it can get in your skin, and it can burn. So be careful, okay? So I'm just going to scoop that out in the sink, okay? Hold on.
I'm doing awesome. You know, the seasonings are like filling up this kitchen and making me kind of hungry.
Okay, so see how I just scoop that out? So this is just, I'm just getting the flavor, not the heat. If you want the heat, then go ahead and just keep the seeds in. And a little seeds got in there, and that's all good. I just basically cut like a half of a half.
Spicy. Muy caliente.
The reason why I use fresh tomatoes because fresh tomato is better, and it has such a good like flavor to it as well. I have nothing against canned tomato sauce or in the glass or anything like that, but if you're living like a vegan life, honey, you want to start doing things, you know, a little fresh. Okay, so I'm gonna get some seasonings out.
I love fresh tomatoes.
So we're gonna use some onion powder, salt. We're gonna do some garlic salt. Regular salt. And remember I said I'm gonna do the 80-20 rule. I'm gonna put a little bit of butter in here too. For the fat.
Butter?
I'm doing a little bit of butter. And you can go ahead and put how much butter you want, or how you don't even have to use the butter at all, to be honest. For all of my, hey, that's not vegan. Well, remember, I'm doing the 80-20 rule. So I just put like maybe a I guess that's a no, that's not a tablespoon.
Wow, look at that.
But there you go. So we're going to start letting that butter go in there. It's nothing like butter, guys. I'm sorry. We're going to put a little bit of salt. This is salted butter. You know, they also have butter out there that's no salt.
Grass-fed butter, too, right?
Grass-fed, yeah. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of Himalayan pink salt in there. Himalayan pink salt.
From the Himalayas.
We're going to put a little bit of honey sriracha in here. Seasoning form. Guys, remember to measure out your seasonings because these seasonings have some sticky salt in them. Okay, so just read the back of your seasoning so you know how much to put in there. We're going to put some Mrs. Dash salt-free. Mrs. Dash salt-free. I can be as liberal as I want with this. There's no salt in it. This is all for flavor. I'm going to put a little bit of onion seasoning. No salt, not onion salt, just onion seasoning. I'm also going to put some garlic in there too to kind of take away from the fact that I put butter. I mean, garlic and butter goes together so awesome. If that's a word.
Awesome. Hashtag awesome. But I love garlic and butter. Look at
There
that.
you go. And to all of my people who are saying, hey, you can use fresh garlic. Yes, you can. You can use fresh garlic. But I'm not today. Okay? Okay. So you see how that's making up a nice little
Stew.
stew. So this is my little sauce. See how it's making a sauce? You don't really need canned or
You
know,
don't.
pre-made. You can make this. Get you some fresh tomatoes. Put you some
And it
Italian season, whatever, huh?
And it melts down. I mean,
And it melts down. Alright, so here's our low carb noodles, guys. I pre-made some what? Zucchini.
you guys are gonna love this. I mean, it's awesome.
And yeah, I froze it, y'all. I'm like, what is that? Is that frozen? Yes, it is.
These are frozen zucchinis, guys.
Yeah, I froze it because I don't want my stuff to go bad. I have a fear of my vegetables going bad.
Yeah.
Why? Because vegetables are expensive.
Now check out this color though, guys. Look at the vibrance. Look how vibrant these colors are. You should always eat in color. Always. It's healthier. Look at that.
And here, now look, this is low carb. So of course I would suggest that you have a slice of wheat bread with this. Do not try to eat this and not have maybe a little bit of brown rice, maybe something that's, or potato or something to help you basically not go too low.
Because this is very low carb. We stumbled across the zucchini when we were trying to go low carb. Because low carb, it helps with your sugars. So we stumbled across this a long time ago, and we're bringing this to you. But yeah, just do this in moderation, guys.
Yes, do this in moderation. Have this as a side to your main course. You can also have this with chicken. You know, you can have this with turkey. You can have it with fish. You get what I'm saying? This is just basically to give your body that boost of energy that it needs and keep it healthy. But remember that this stuff is not for you to go and work off of all day.
Yeah,
Okay?
you're right, Jenna. This is what do you call it? Vitamin packed, right?
It's vitamin packed. It's very medicinal, and it gives you your vegetables that you need a day, and it's basically nice and colorful and flavorful. Thank you so much for joining us today, guys. I hope you guys like this video. Thumbs it up. Also subscribe if you haven't already.
Subscribe, guys.
Also comment under the video.
Leave us a comment. We love to talk to you guys.
Let us know how you're doing. Let us know about if you want to become a vegan or become a vegetarian, or you just want to get better at what you're doing.
Yeah, even if you're having like struggles with it, you know, just talk to us, and you know, maybe we can help you guys out.
Okay, thank you so much, and we will see you on